Let me show you how to clear the cache on your iPhone. Now, if your iPhone space is running out, or if you just want to speed up your phone, I'll show you how to clear the cache. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, there are 3 ways that we can clear the cache on your iPhone. I'll walk you through all 3 of those. The first option is to clear the cache associated with your web browser. So let's go to your Safari settings here, and we can clear the cache that is downloaded every time you visit a website. All you need to do is go to the clear history and website data. You can choose whether it's the last hour or today, but if you wanted to clear all the cache, let's choose all history, all profiles, and make sure we turn on close tabs. Now, after we've done that, we've cleared the cache for the Safari web browser. You can do the same for Google Chrome if you use Google Chrome regularly. Now, after we've done that, we might also want to clear the cache for specific apps that you use and are taking up a lot of space. So we can go to iPhone storage, and there's a built-in method to clear that cache. Now, for instance, TikTok is taking up 1.3 gigabytes worth of data, and you can see documents and data is 650 megabytes. All I need to do is offload this app and immediately reinstall it. You'll be able to see that 1.3 gigabytes will go down significantly after it's reinstalled. So just wait until those apps reinstall. And again, you can go through this and do it on a bunch of different apps. You can see after the TikTok app has been reinstalled, it will be significantly smaller because you cleared out all the cache. You can do this again. I usually do this for apps that are over a gigabyte. Just offload them and reinstall them. However, what you'll find is there's a lot of cache and storage within this system data. There's no way to immediately clear this on the app itself or in the settings. The only way to reduce the size of this cache is to force restart your phone. So to do that, you're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see the Apple logo. So I'll show you how to do it again. Volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button. I'm going to keep holding it even though it says slide to power off. And I'm going to hold it until the black screen appears and then the Apple logo appears. Once that Apple logo appears, you can see I can take my finger off and it will force restart my iPhone and clear out a lot of that system data cache on your iPhone.